John and Mary Market, today you are uniting yourselves in holy matrimony.
John, you're the best thing that's ever happened to Mary.
The plaque at the front of our church describes St. Luke's as the church that love built. Love indeed plays a big part in marriage, but so do other things. I remember you telling me that you both like to do jigsaw puzzles. And in an interesting way, marriages are like jigsaw puzzles.
You know what they say, there's something about Mary. Mary is one of a kind. She's bubbly, she's energetic, and incredibly adventurous.
Mary is a positive person, but I've never seen her this happy, content, at peace. She's so alive.
It was very quick how our relationship became from co-workers to friends to family.
When you get the new shiny box and you see the picture on there and it seems so easy, right? You look at that picture and say, yeah, I can do that. Then you sit down and get frustrated because you can't seem to find the pieces, and you're looking and swearing that the manufacturer must have made a mistake. And then you find the missing piece, and then it's all together. And when it's done, there's this feeling of satisfaction that you've accomplished something, even if it's a jigsaw puzzle, right? And this is the way the mystery of love and marriage works sometimes too.
No matter what may come your way, your combined resilience, love, and faith, you will make an unstoppable team. We couldn't have dreamed up a better match for our rambunctious Mary.
John's mom, Janice, she told me John came to her and said, "Mom, I found the one." I agree. Mary is the one for John.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for, Mr. and Mrs. John Florals!
Now, I know this might seem a little off-brand for me, but the couple to a lifetime of health and happiness and fire in the hole. Cheers.
You got that loving, I can't settle down. You got that loving, it's got me spinning around. You got that loving, I've been raving about. You got that something I can't do without you. Come around my side of town.